interesting layer where it leaves weight on the top and takes weight out through the interior. I'm leaving the top longer and going down gradually to shorter. So that is going to be an upward 45, where my fingers are going up and the hand part is going down. You start in the center of the head and then array around to the right. And once we finish arraying around to the right, we go back to the center and array around to the left with pie-shaped partings. If you see, the weight falls long right on the top crown. We're making our way around. And this time I'm sectioning straight over the section. I'm not directing everything back to the center. So each section you have a pie-shaped parting. Bring it up. I'm cutting directly over. I'm using a piece from the previous section and dragging it over into the next section. Here is a great example that there's so many different ways to layer the hair. And the key is to know what you're doing and why you're doing it to create the end result. What I'm demonstrating here is that there's one way of cutting the layers into the hair, and now we're giving our kiss to our masterpiece, which is texturizing. You can slide cut from the tips of your shears, and you can go in and notch cutting. And what this does is take out more weight to build volume, and it also takes the bulk out where the cut and the shag can be more seamless. This has got a real cool 60s vibe to it. So it's however you style it as an end result, but you can get even crazier from here and go into more of a shag.